And they spoke a lot about her, and they told me a story that said, you know, that my turning up had kind of made sense of her life for them. So again, I was so happy those days. I was thinking, well, this is definitely right. You know, this is my family. This is my family. It was the most awesome feeling. I thought then, to be fair, I would bring up about a DNA test because, you know, I could be anyone coming in. Anyway, they agreed to do the DNA test with Margaret's remaining brother and sister. So I employed a doctor known to them, and, you know, permission was sought to take the DNA and so forth. So we did all that. The doctor rang me one afternoon around 2 o'clock, and he said, the test is back, no match whatsoever. No match whatsoever. I said, oh no, I'm imagining that. He didn't say that. He couldn't have said it. But he did say it.